Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today in grammar, we are going to study chapter number 16 and the name of our chapter is will. Let us see the uses of will. We use will to talk about the future. Yes, the word will is used in our sentences when we write, when we speak, when we talk, when we want to express something which we will be doing in the future. Yes, and we often use will with I think, I suppose, I expect, I'm sure, perhaps, probably, etc. Yes, you will come across such words or you can use such words in your sentences when you want to talk about something which you will be doing in future or something which is done in future. Okay, let us see the examples. Meena will be 4 years old next month. Something which is going to happen next month. I will phone back in an hour. I expect India will win the match. Perhaps we will meet him at the party. Perhaps, not sure. I think the weather will be fine tomorrow. These all sentences clearly show us that we are talking about something which is going to happen later, after some time or after a week, after a month or tomorrow. Yes, so all these sentences show us about the or are talking about the future, and so we have used the word will. Now, when we don't want to express our willingness, when we want to change the sentence into a negative sentence, we use not. Yes, now the short form of will not is won't. Yes, if you want to show your unwillingness, you are not ready to do or some negative sentence, we use the word not, and instead of using will not always in our sentences, we can make it into a short form saying won't. I will not be at home this afternoon. Same sentence can be written or spoken with a short form. I won't be at home this evening. Instead of will not, we have used the short form of will not, and that is won't. Now, there is one more use of will. Let us see. We can use will to ask someone to do something. Yes, when you want to ask for some help also, we can use the word will. Examples, will you lend me your bike for few minutes? Will you switch off the TV, please? Will post the letter? Will you give me your phone number? Yes, now you saw, we can see here clearly when we are asking, we are using it in a question form, in a request form and a polite way. When you want to ask for some help also, we start our sentence with will and it is in question form. Let us study these pairs of sentences. He went to his hometown last Sunday. Yes, something which is already done. I think he will go to his hometown again next Sunday. Yes, the action which is completed. Now again we are talking about the same action but which may be possible, which may not be possible, and so we are using the word will here, talking about the future. I met him yesterday. Perhaps I will meet him again tomorrow. I got up early this morning. I will get up early tomorrow morning too. It's like a plan. I got up early today morning. I will get up early tomorrow morning too. Yes? Ask somebody to do these things. We use will. Yes? Lend you his or her ruler. Will you lend me your ruler? Tell you the time. Will you tell me the time? Buy a ticket for you. Will you buy a ticket for me? Again, it can be like a conversation. Yes, asking for help in a way, and then it is also in a question form. Okay children, now let us sum up our chapter and understand once again the different uses of will. Like a simple sentence, it can be in a positive way. When you are not willing to do, when you want to change it into a negative sentence, you add not to your sentence. And when you want to ask for some help, also you can use will. Yes? Now let us see the examples. You will win the exam. You will see, I will see you later. She will help him tomorrow. He will be there soon. He will not, instead of will not, again as a reminder, as I told you, instead of will not, we can use won't in our sentences. It can be in short form. Yes? So, I will not, instead of that, I won't call, he won't call us. I will not, instead of will not, I won't stay this hotel. Our mother will love you forever. Will you wait for me? Will she do it again? So children, here we have again understood the different uses of will. Thank you.